everyone, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. Also follow me on Instagram, 24K. We like thumbs up and positive comments. Today we're unboxing the Huawei Nova 4E, also known as the P30 Lite. So it's pretty much the same phone. It comes with a screen protector, as you can see here. I've used it a little bit already. We'll go ahead and turn it on. It'll boot up while we're waiting. This is powered by Android. It gets Android updates. It runs the Google Play Store, and it gets Huawei updates for Android. So this phone has no problems with that. Inside this box, Huawei is one of the few that will give you a free case included. So it's a see-through silicone case. That's nice. The big companies don't do that. There's also a SIM tool in here as well. There it is. This has 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. This is the international version, so you get the international charger right there. You also get a USB Type-C and USB Type-A cable for charging. And then up here, you also get headphone, because this has a real headphone jack. So you can use that on this phone. There's a real headphone jack right there, right next to the USB Type-C and speaker port right there. So this is the phone. It's very vibrant. I like the colors a lot. I've heard that it's vibrant from other people as well. So we'll show you this is running Android, even though it showed it to you while it's booting up. So there it is. Android 9, EMUI 9 as well, right there. Nova 4E, but like I said, it's also the P30 Lite. We like how bright the screen is. It's quite thin. I don't think this is metal. It feels like metal, but it could also be ceramic. The back is very nice. You have triple camera on the back and a flash. 24 megapixel is the largest camera right there. Also has a, looks like maybe a two-tone flash. But you have your nano SIM, you can put your micro SIM in here as well, or more storage, and your fingerprint sensor right there. So we like the form factor of the phone. It has a teardrop notch at the top, and actually the speaker is embedded right at the top, and there's a very small LED in there to let you know if you have voicemail, text messages, alerts, notifications, and what the charging situation is for the phone. This is the Huawei Nova 4E. Running Android, and it's also the P30 Lite from Huawei. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Thanks.